We'll guide you through how to insert images in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once you have it open, create a new document by going to the File menu at the top left corner and selecting New. Set your desired canvas size and click Create. Now, to insert an image, go to the File menu again and select Import. Then click on Import as New Layer. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the image you want to add. Choose your image and click Open. The image will now appear as a new layer on your canvas, and you can see it in the Layers docker on the right side of your screen. You can move, resize, or rotate this image using the Transform tool. To access this tool, just press the Ctrl and T keys on your keyboard. Once the Transform tool is active, you'll see handles around your image that you can click and drag to adjust its size or position. If you need to keep the proportions of the image while resizing, hold down the Shift key as you drag a corner. After you are satisfied with the placement of your image, press Enter to apply the changes. Remember, each image you import will be on its own layer, which is great for keeping your work organized. You can rename layers by double-clicking on the layer name in the Layers docker. This is especially useful if you plan on working with multiple images. And that's it. You're all set to start using images in your Krita projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.